Hello, I'm going to go over real quick and show you how to make your files accessible through Google Drive. You'll go to your Google Drive. If you're not sure, you can log into Google, just google.com, and then click on the little buttons over here and then Drive. It'll take you to your Google Drive. Your page may look like this and with different little thumbnails. I prefer the list, so if you click on your list view here, it will show you all of your files this way, and it should list them where you can scroll down. The first thing you'll need to do is locate the file that you want, and then once you do, right click on it and then click share. You can go to change, and then you can click on any of the settings here. I prefer anyone can find and view. If I wanted to click the draft settings, I'm going to click on here on public on the web, click save. Now I'm going to click done, and that will allow anyone to be able to see that site. Again, right click, share, and then advanced, and then change, and you can change the settings there. I'll show you on another site here. Here's a document. Right click, share, advanced, and then we're going to click change, and I will click on public on the web and then save, and now it will be accessible to anyone.